The Early Recovery Toolbox. Take action if you experience cravings, or if you feel stressed, irritable, or depressed. Act now. Don't wait for the balance to tip in your favor of an impulsive slip. Things you can do to include: go to a meeting, talk to a sponsor or friend, do something constructive such as read recovery literature. It's okay if you divert your attention from your problems by helping someone out with the difficulty they are experiencing. Focus on living and recovery one day at a time. Minimize stress by focusing on your immediate, day-by-day needs and priorities. Looking back, I see this as one of the top 3 tools in early recovery. The other 2 are daily renewal of the steps 1, 2, and 3, and the daily use of a support group. Wherever you can, but at least once a day, find a moment to relax and be content. Create moments when you trust that it's going to work out just okay. This can be a moment of prayer or meditation if you like, as either of these are as effective as quieting the noise and chaos in your head and replacing it with a calm focus on recovery. Focus on the solution and let go of the garbage. Often we waste time obsessing about problems and people that we have no control over anyway. Use the serenity prayer to create in your mind the serenity to accept things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Thanks for starting your day with hammock readings, and we look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.